Hello friends, a very good evening to you all. So in this video, we are going to discuss some current affairs and some important legal GK facts. So the first one is, who has been elected as Iran's 8th president? And the name is Ibrahim Raisi. Iran's ultra-conservative cleric and judiciary chief Ibrahim Raisi has been elected as the nation's 8th president. He will take up office in early August, replacing President Hassan Rouhani. Next one. Who has been appointed as the counselor in India's permanent mission in World Trade Organization for 3 years? Ahead of World Trade Organization Ministerial Conference in 2021, the Government of India has appointed a private person, Ashish Chandorekar. For the very first time, a private person has been appointed at the mission. Ashish Chandorekar is the director of Bengaluru-based policy tank Samahi Foundation of Policy and Research. And World Trade Organization is a 164-member multilateral body dealing with global trade, intergovernment trade organization that regulates and facilitates international trade between the nations. Next one. Who has been named the new chairman of Microsoft? So Microsoft CEO, the Chief Executive Officer Satya Nadella as its new chairman. He will be replacing John Thompson as the new chairman. Next one. The world's first wooden satellite to be launched this year by Arctic Astronautics, a Finnish company, that is a Finland company. The satellite named Vaisa Woodsat, designed and developed in Finland, is cube-shaped nanosatellite scheduled to be launched on a Rocket Lab's Electron rocket in New Zealand in November this year. Its weight is nearly 1 kg, and the satellite will help scientists monitor how does the wood react in cold, heat, radiation, and vacuum of space, and able to study the durability and behavior of plywood in extreme conditions in the space. Next one. In which landmark legal case it was held that preamble is not a part of constitution? So it was Berube Union 1. It was held that preamble is not a part of constitution. This judgment was overruled by 13-judge bench in the Keshwananda Bharati case, and it was held that preamble is a part of Indian constitution. Next one. The committee which made attempts to frame the first ever draft constitution was headed by Tej Bahadur Sapru. In the year 1944, the Standing Committee of Non-Party Conference adopted a resolution to appoint a committee that would make recommendations on the constitutional principles. Sapru was invited to head the meeting. The report, titled Constitutional Proposals of the Sapru Committee, it came to be known as the Sapru Committee Report, and it contained 21 recommendations pertaining to the constitutional questions that concerned the governance and politics of India. Next one. What was the first venture of Gandhiji in the All India policies? So it was the Champaran movement. The first Satyagraha movement, inspired by Mahatma Gandhiji, occurred in Champaran district of Bihar and the Kheda district of Gujarat during the 1917 and the 1918. The Champaran Satyagraha was the first to be started, but the word Satyagraha was used for the first time in the Anti-Rowlatt Act agitation. Next one. India's second largest stadium to be built in Jaipur. The seating capacity will be 75,000. The Rajasthan Cricket Association has been granted a financial grant worth Rs 100 crore by the BCCI to build this. The first largest stadium in India is the Motera Stadium, and the capacity is 1,32,000. Next one. Mana Patel becomes the first Indian female swimmer to qualify for the Tokyo Olympics. She will be the third Indian swimmer to take part in the Olympics 2020 after Sajan Prakash and Srichari Nataraj. Last one for today. who has become the youngest ever chess grandmaster. So he is Abhimanyu Mishra. The 12-year-old Indian origin boy from New Jersey broke the record of 12 years and 7 months, and it was set by GM Sergey Karjakin in the year 2002. Thank you friends for watching this video.